back. I hope you're all okay. I'm feeling much better now, thankfully, and thanks for all your lovely messages as well. So a nice, quick, easy kind of nail design, and happy Valentine's Day. Whether you're celebrating it or not, I'm going to wish it to you anyway. So I've done Perfect White on a nail. I've done 2 coats of that. 30 seconds to cure, ℙ𝕆𝔻𝕆𝔻's Perfect White. Code to save 30% is ℎ𝕆𝕝30. I have put some ℍ𝕗𝕆 nail art foil glue gel on that. I like to cure for double the time, let it cool down for another minute or so before I put the foil on. The foil is from Charlie's. You can save 10% using Nail Room 10, and it is called Rainbow Hearts Transfer Nail Foil. And I'm going to rub the absolute Jeff out of it with everything. My finger, my nail, a silicone tool, a set of tweezers, everything. Just keep rubbing until you can start to see it peeling away by itself, because the image is transferred, and then the foil will be clear because that image is there. And then I'm going to get some Purity. It's like a milky white from ℙ𝕆𝕻𝕼. And just put that around the edge. Now I do end up like, I want to blend this out. I want it to be like a blended edge fade sort of thing. This was the first nail I practiced on, and I kept it on like in the set, but I do this to 2 other nails, the exact same process, and I find that if I'm going to do this again, I will use Perfect White instead of the Purity for the first coat, and then the Purity. I feel like the Perfect White adds that blend that you want, and then the Purity over the top of that just melts it together, just makes it blend that much better when you're doing the Purity last. So for the first one I did the Purity first, and then the Perfect White, and then the Purity again. So the edges were getting, they weren't bulky, but if it's going to be on like a person, if it's going to be someone's nail, it might get a little bulky. So like I said, that was on 3 of the nails, the thumb, the middle and the ring. And then for the other 2 nails, the index and the pinky, we've done 2 coats of white, matte top coat, and then I've grabbed some Born Pretty pigment powders, and you can save 10% using my code TLNR10 in the top left corner there. The links will be in the description box down below, along with all the codes and everything that I've used in this video to create this set. So I took the colours from the transfer foil, so we've got the purples, the pinks, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and did it in rainbow order down the nail. I didn't want it to be super straight. I wanted it to be kind of like, not a diagonal either, I don't know, just a bit free flowing, I suppose, a little bit, just get it on there. And I haven't used pigments for about 6 months as well, so I completely forgot that a sponge is definitely the best method to put the pigment powders on. And matte top coat, it's got to be over a matte top coat, or sometimes a sticky, if it's slightly sticky inhibition layer, it kind of works, but if it's a super sticky one, it won't work so well. So I dusted off the excess powder. I've put a base coat on to seal it all in, just in case I made a mistake on the next bit and I don't want to rub the pigment powder all off. Cured the base coat, and then I've grabbed ℙ𝕆𝕻𝕼's white gel paint. We've done some dots all over the nail, and we're going to join them all up into some love hearts. So this nail in particular was a little bit time consuming. Obviously 2 coats of the white gel polish, and then the matte top coat, and then the pigment powders, and then a base coat, and then you've got to sit and do all of those hearts. But the dot method is definitely the easiest way for me to do hearts. 2 dots next to each other, and then just pull them together to create that lovely heart shape. But then once they are cured, there might be a better way to do this. This is just how I processed it in my head while I was doing it. I was watching Willy Wonka, the new Wonka film at the time, so I wasn't completely like engrossed in the nails. But I wanted the whole nail to be glittery and textured, but not the heart. So I thought, well, the hearts are going to have to go on first, So we do them, and because it's gel paint it takes 60 seconds to cure, but I wanted to try and fill most of the nail in with those hearts. And then once that gel paint is cured, I then realised that I have to go in between, like the whole nail covered in top coat, but I've got to go around all of those hearts. I don't want the hearts to have top coat on, so that when we pour the glitter onto the wet top coat, it's only going to stick on the rainbow section, if that makes sense, and then the hearts will be completely free of glitter. And then we'll cure that and scrub off the glitter, and it will just leave what I want it to look like. And it actually did work. Like I said, I don't know whether the process that I did was the correct way, because I've never done that before, but I've seen it a few times. Like I said, the nail itself is all covered in glitter, and then there's something else on there, but it's not being done on top of the glitter, if you get what I'm saying. So the glitter I've chosen is from Sparkle Supplies UK, Iced Gold. You can use my code ℎ𝕆𝕋𝕆15 to save 15%. Oh my god, you should see the glitter mixers. They are amazing. I will spend so much money on that. It is amazing. So that's exactly how I wanted it to look, and I did the same thing minus the hearts to the index finger. So then I wanted to add a little bit extra, so I got these from Charlie's. This was part of, I think, yeah, these were in the Ambassador, monthly Ambassador selection. These are called Love at Your Fingertips, and they come in all different colours actually, and I think you get, let me just double check. Yeah, you guys, if you were to buy these, you'd get 4 in a bag, and there's no options. The colours may vary. You'll either receive white, pink or yellow, but you will get 2 colour options in the pack, so you'll have 2 matching sets, if that makes sense. And for 49p, you cannot complain. How affordable are those prices? Finished with a heart little AB rhinestone, and they're done. And I think for how simple and easy, a little bit time consuming for the blending around the transfer foil and the glitter around the hearts, but I love them. But what's not to love? Rainbows, hearts, glitter, crystals, charms. I love it. I hope you did too. Please let me know what you think, and I hope you're having a wonderful day whatever you are doing. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Everything I've used will be linked as always in the description box down below, along with discount codes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.